Hey, what's up, you guys? Hope you're doing well. This is Irfan here. In this video, I want to show you how you can literally make money in both crypto and Forex market. I'm going to prove everything to you. I'm not just going to talk about it, because whatever I'm actually telling you, I've done it myself. I'm preaching what I'm practicing. That's what they say. And I'm going to show you how easy the process is. This process does not require your experience, nor your knowledge, your time, anything, because it's 100% automated, 100% hands off, and you will see how these automated systems or these advanced tools can help you to reach your financial goals in both crypto and Forex market. I'm going to start with crypto. So as you might know, almost a week ago, we released this super advanced crypto indicator that gives you buy and sell signals on multiple pairs that we talked about. In the VIP channel, you can literally join and see what pairs we use, how we use them, how the system works. Everything is over there. Plus, you can join our Telegram channel. The link is down in the description below. I post daily results, my results, the client's results. The results speak for themselves. I don't have to say anything. So just join the channel and see everything. So basically, CrownX is, as I said, a buy and sell signal, like a signal tool. And for example, today, we had two short signals on say USDT, and both of them were profitable. And the good thing about this indicator is that it gives you a notification before any signal pops up. So let's say that it wants to notify you because it's on TradingView, and you receive an email from TradingView that, hey, keep an eye on say, because it's forming this short signal. So it's going to form it for you. And then once this candle closes, you'll get a notification like this, that, hey, you need to enter the market. Here's your SL, here's your TP, here's your entry. You set everything, and there's some tactics that we talk about in the VIP channel as well, but this is like the basic idea. And you enter the market, you just live it. That's it. And this blue line is your entry point, the TP is this green line, and red is your stop loss. And you can look at this. There's a shadow, big shadow here that hit our TP, and we made almost 1% profit and 1% almost right here. So 1.4% in total in a span of like 2-3 hours, like 2 hours maybe. It's not bad. And we are up 8.1% since October 1st in 2 weeks on this pair only, which is great. So what matters is that you don't have to go through any tutorial. You don't have to learn anything or practice your strategy or backtest anything, because everything is ready and ready to use. Basically, just take the signals, enter the market, and you'll see the results for yourself. So that's how the notifications look like. And then today we had 3 take profits back to back. So take profit number 1 here, another take profit here, another take profit here, and another take profit for SUI. So you can see the pairs here, and the notifications come from TradingView. So we have this LDO here. We also have like stop losses, not like 100% win rate, it's 75% win rate. But at the end of the month, if you do everything properly as we instructed, you'll be profitable. So your account is going to be in profit. So that's what I've experienced myself, and it doesn't repaint. So here, long profit. And let me show you one stop loss here. So for example, on LDO, we had, for example, here. See, we had this short position here, it hit a stop loss and it didn't get removed. So it doesn't repaint. Whatever you see here is what happened. And because if an indicator repaints, then there's no point to like providing it, because it doesn't make sense. It's not quality anymore. So but everything is here. What you can see the history for yourself, and you can get your notification, and you get a notification 15 minutes before you get the entry parameters. So it gives you a heads up, okay, that hey, get ready for this particular pair. And that's how we can make money in the crypto market. As I said, if you want to find out more, join the Telegram channel, and then over there you can get in touch with our support team and get all the information for yourself. And the second thing is the Forex market, all the prop firm thing. I've been doing it for over 3 years, and I've been using AI for trading, with prop firms. And I've been providing people with live capital without passing a single evaluation phase, and the accounts are between $6,000 to $1 million. So depending on your budget, you can go for any of them. And currently we're using this US-based prop firm that supports every country. So it's it starts from around $6,000 all the way to $1 million. And depending on your budget, you can go for any of them that you want. But these prices on this website, fundwayplus.com, are challenge prices. So these are prop firm challenges. So when you purchase them, you need to pass the challenge. You need to meet this criteria, make 9% or 8% if it's like HFT, and then you get your funded account. If you apply through us, you don't have to pass a single evaluation phase. You get access directly to a live account. It's withdrawable. You can request withdrawal after 21 days, and everything is very smooth. And then for management part, we can either do it for you, or you can get access to our unlimited license of our AI system trading bot, and that tool can take care of it for you without you doing anything, basically, because it's 100% hands off. Even for the news, I don't personally turn it off. So for example, I have this $1 million funded account here, and I'm up $23,000 in profit. We still have some open positions left, and I'm not worried about anything because it has a really proper risk management, and it's going to be my second withdrawal on this $1 million account. And last time I made 15 grand, and this time I'm currently up $23,000, but I'm going to, and this one is 20 days. So tomorrow basically I can withdraw, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait until all the positions close. And when the balance reaches $25,000 profit, then that time I'm going to request withdrawal. So that's pretty much it, guys. Like, if you want to get funded with Forex, we can help you with that. As I said, the capital and everything, and you can get the information in our Telegram channel. Get in touch with our support team. Same for crypto. You can use this indicator to enter the market profitably. Okay, so you got to look at your monthly performance, and based on what we've seen, you are going to be profitable with this tool. And it comes with 30-day money back guarantee as well. So this one comes with 30-day money back guarantee. And for the live account, for a direct live account, if we don't give you your funded account in less than 24 hours, everything will be refunded to you, plus an additional $500 on top for wasting your time. And luckily, we've never done it because everybody's got their live accounts. But if you're serious about making some serious money, this is your chance. Join our Telegram channel, and I'll see you on the other side.